TeraFlex wheel offset adapter kits for the JL Wrangler and the JT Gladiator have a 5-on-5 bolt pattern that allow you to add 1 3/4 inches of backspacing to your wheel. The TeraFlex wheel offset adapter requires no modifications to the wheel studs and includes all the necessary hardware. To install, elevate the vehicle and remove the wheels. Apply red thread locker to the wheel studs. Place the TeraFlex wheel offset adapter onto the wheel studs and feed the provided lug nuts onto the wheel studs. If you are installing these by yourself, in the front, place a pry bar in the U-joint to keep the hub from spinning as you torque to 130 foot-pounds. But if you have someone to hold their foot on the brake, that is the better option. In the rear, simply apply the parking brake. Replace the wheels, and remember to torque the lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds once the vehicle is back on the ground.